Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show how to edit neon effect in Picsart mobile application. Here are some examples before and after editing. First, neon spiral effect. After selecting an image, add spiral PNG file to it and adjust it with the object in the image. And erase stripes by gaping one each for forming the spiral effect to the image. Neon spiral effect is done. Next, neon ring effect. After selecting an image, go to Draw tool and select Color tool, and select White color, and select Shape tool, and select Circle shape for ring effect. After selecting, draw it around the object on the image. Repeat it for 2 times with different angles and size covering all the parts of the body. And done. Select Eraser tool and erase one end of the circle shape drawn. Repeat it on all the circles drawn. And after erasing, select Color tool and take any light color you like. Opacity to 50% and size to 128, and draw it on the white lines for obtaining ring effect. And done. Next, neon outline effect. After selecting an image, select Brush tool, and select Neon brush. Size to 19, and width to 90. And draw through the edge of the image. And done.